Culinary trader. My name is Mandeep. I study 5th class in Indian Industry School. Today I am telling you about mode of transmission. A mosquito feeds a person suffering from malaria. Source: a person suffering from malaria. It causes the germs called protozoa. I am studying 2nd class. My class teacher name is Durgadevi Madam. One's place and one's place. One's place one kabatti, one's place. I am studying in 4th standard. My school name is Indian Distance School in Athili. Today my topic is Sanya. किसी यहाँ की प्राणी वस्तु स्थान और बाबा के नाम को सारिका. I am studying 3rd class. Today's subject name is Telugu. రాసులు 12 ఉంటాయి. Nation 4th class. My school name is Indian Distance School Athili. I am telling you about areas. Desert habitats. Condensation in desert. The days are very hot and the nights are very cold. There are only a few areas where water is available. An area in a desert where today's topic is Aliga. Aliga is collective nouns. Collective nouns are special words for group of people, animal, place and things. Example: a glass of student, a head of elephant, a team of players, a bunch of bananas, a band of musicians, a family of people, a pack of cards, a group of kids. My name is Ravan. I am studying 3rd class. My school name is Indian Distance School in Athili. My subject is CCS. Parts of the computer. CPU is a central processing unit. This is input device. My name is G. Ravan Reddy. My studying 3rd class. Today's topic is Hindi. सिमी के खेल. सिमी के दादाजी रखते मुझे बड़ी. खेलने को तैयार सिमी रहती कड़ी. दादाजी की बेसिक. I am studying 4th standard in Indian Distance School Athili. Today my topic is predecessor and successor. Predecessor is small number. Successor is big number. Example: I am studying 3rd class. My school name is Indian Distance School Athili. My topic is addition. 3 plus 3 6. 2 plus 5 7. 3 plus 6 9. 3 plus. My name is Jairam. I am studying 2nd class. Sounds: A says A, B says ba, C says ka, D says da. Hi everyone, my name is Shruti. I am studying 5th class in Indian Distance School. Today my topic is common reason method. 10, 15, 25 is divisibility by 2. 10 is divisibility by 2. How many times? 5 times. 15 is divisibility by 2. No, we don't have 15. 25 is divisibility by 2. No, we don't have 15. 3. Next I will take 3. 5 is divisibility by 3. No, we don't have 5. 15 is divisibility by 3. Today my topic is a monk's life story. Last month I went to Tibet. Tibet is a region of Himalayas. I start Tall mountains covered with snow. I saw a river of with clean and blue water.